The samples you've recovered, I still don't have enough. I need you to go inside a hive. The substance at the center, the material the virus is producing, I think it's the key. With it, I think I can reverse the effect of the virus. And Alex, for what it's worth, I'm sorry it had to play out like this.
Don't be sorry. Just cure this thing.
Mercer, you're a hard man to find. I've been looking forward to this. Who are you? Who sent you? You should pick your friends more carefully, Mercer.
You being here means Karen Parker sold me out.
Nice tricks. Won't help. Slow. Fatally slow. Reloading! Reloading! I'm out! Reloading! Time's running out, Mercer. Your little friends want to come out to play. Restless little bundle of energy. Like you're afraid that any minute you're gonna burn out. Watch out. Reloading! Reloading! Squad, on me! Squad, on me! Reloading! McMullen wants you on a slab, so that's what he gets. Hang up! Shit! I'm out! I'm out! You're fast! Fuck! Faster! You think you've won, Mercer? You don't even know what fucking game you're playing.
Well, I can tell you all you need to know about Penn Station.
In a way, I feel sorry for you. Zeus is down. Bring in the containment device.
What the hell did he do to me?
Concentrate all fire on target Zeus. I repeat, all fire on Zeus.
Man, you look like shit, but this might help.
McMullen?
No, but they're watching someone for him. Okay, it's this doctor named Bradley Ragland.
Where is he?
Whoa. He's a good guy. Okay, you find him, he helps us get to McMullen. He's uptown at St. Paul's Hospital. He runs the morgue there. Wait, hold up. There's more. Alright, so I did some research on Hope, Idaho. It was an army town. On July 21st, 1969, it vanishes from the map. The official word was that it was an anti-government gun nut standoff. Some militia killed a bunch of people, and the feds killed the militia. Now, there was only one survivor. Notice a girl, second from the left,
Elizabeth Green.
who looks an awful lot like a college student these days. Not bad for 55 years old.
Hope Idaho was an experiment.
How could you possibly know that?
The people I've killed, they're in me. I can hear them, see the things they've done.
What the fuck are you talking about?
I can understand it all. I'm supposed to do these things, but it's right. I can feel it.
Find Ragland. And ask him about McMullen.
My back. Feels like it's beating on me.
Colonel Taggart has issued a lockdown order on the island. This comes down from on high. The old man is here calling the shots personally.
Sir!
I need men with ice water in their veins. Nothing crosses the red line.
Structures in the bladder low, resembling parasitic infection.
Dr. Raglan?
Already said I won't deal with you people. My medical opinion's not for sale.
I'm impressed.
What is it you want exactly?
Your help stopping the virus.
Why?
You could say I'm symptomatic. So pick a side.
I'll tell you what I know. But first, we need to find where the military has Patient Zero.
Okay, the bodies from the first outbreak are the key. Blackwatch Spectres took them. Find the Spectres, find the bodies. Maybe I can find some answers.
Captain Lim. At East, Trooper. Get on the horn and tell them we've secured the Penn Station bodies. I'm taking the heavy armor to destroy a hive. Get control points up in this area, then rendezvous with us at Gentech.
Yes, sir.
I need to find Lim. How do you catch the attention of an officer? You start killing all his men.
Not have target. Let's go. There's something to do. Prepare to engage. Wait for my command.
Bring the package back to base.
Uploading target image to strike boss. Over. Oh, come out wherever you are. Check the area for any corpses. Side team wants whatever they can get. Okay, here comes the big boy.
Stay clear of target zone, over.
Strike package is go. Repeat, package is go.
Sound off friendlies. Tornado 5 approaching. Target is swept us. Protection required.
Strike package, stand down.
Alpha zone is clear. Strike boss, bring your team into Citadel for regroup.
Gunner, fire on block. Fire on block. Is there anybody hit? Tell me now. Hang in, we still got another... Grid shows some sort of clusterfuck. On site in 30. We're out.
Sir, Director McMullen surrendered the bodies to a civilian.
Ragland?
Yes, sir.
You did the right thing, son. Your new orders are this. Recover all samples, bodies, and evidence from Dr. Ragland. Bring them to base AE-1.
Ragland?
If he doesn't interfere, leave him be. He's already implicated. He won't talk.
And McMullen, sir.
It's time for the doctor to learn who's in charge of this little excursion.